Welcome to another episode of Curries with Khalil. Today we're going to explore two types of local curries, an Indian curry and a Chinese style curry. And for that, I'm going to introduce someone who is very well versed in Chinese cooking, my good friend, John.
Let's curry on.
Alright, let's go. Okay, John, today I'm going to show you how I cook curry at home, or like how my family cooks curry at home. So it's a very basic recipe.
I am actually very curious about the difference between your curry and my curry.
Likewise, and we will find out later the difference between the Indian and Chinese curry.
Okay, curry up.
Alright.
Let's go.
First, I'll need your help to make the ginger garlic paste. So this is the ginger garlic paste. For today, we will call this the white paste. And next, we will prepare the red paste. So John, what's in the red paste? Basically, it's curry powder with a mixture of red chili powder. So you're just gonna pour a bit of water so that the powders will form a paste.
Action! Brother, got fire.
Already.
Yeah. Khalil, what's the next step?
We need to toast the dry spices. After that, when it's fragrant, then we add our ginger and garlic slice.
Khalil, you Sunday want to sing karaoke with me?
Oh my god. So now it's starting to turn a bit brown. I'm gonna add in 2 stalks of curry leaf.
Where you got all these leaves from?
This one I actually took from my neighbor's house lah, the plant. Because if people put it outside the house, I believe it's for sharing. In the kampung spirit, anyone can help themselves lah. Just a few stalks is okay, correct? Don't take the whole thing until the plant botak lah.
Actually, you'll make the plant healthier.
Yeah.
You're purging the leaves.
Okay, at this time, I will add in the white paste. So it's starting to dry up already. This is where we can add in the orange paste.
Oh bro, it smells very good already.
And now, it is time to add the chicken. So at this stage, we can see the moisture coming out from the tomatoes and the chicken. Now we will reduce to a simmer and we will cover with the lid for about 10 minutes.
10 minutes later.
Oh, almost there. So the potatoes are 3/4 cooked. Now we will add the coconut milk.
What do you think of my charisma so far?
It's good lah. Very good. I don't know how to respond. Now we will add the coconut milk while stirring so it doesn't curdle. So now we will just let it simmer for about another 5 to 10 minutes lah, or until the chicken and potato is fully cooked. So John, usually for Indian curry we serve with white rice or prata lah. For myself, I really like to eat it with roti jala.
Roti jala.
Yeah, have you tried it before?
No.
So roti jala is actually like a direct translation. It means net crepe. Jala means net lah. It's also known as roti kirai. Some people they call it spider roll in English. It looks like a spider web. So there we have it, the roti jala.
Made by us.
Us.
With love, piece by piece.
And now it is time to
Serve.
So there you go. This is a typical traditional home-style Indian curry. And now we're going to show you how to cook a Chinese-style curry. And John will show us how. We will learn from John now.
It's time to curry on.
Okay, let's go.
Okay, today for my curry chicken, I'm gonna use a whole kampong chicken because of its sweetness. And home style, must use whole chicken, don't waste any part. Okay, now we are ready to blend.
But John, you forgot your blender.
Yeah, alamak, curry to have you here. Actually, that was not funny, but I think I ran out of puns already. Okay, back to the usual program. Back to the curriculum!
Alright, let's go back to the curriculum.
I'm very lazy, so I like to use instant curry paste. but also instant curry paste got a lot of flavouring inside.
So is this a typical like Chinese style curry paste?
Yes. And the secret ingredient that I just added in is chicken powder.
So known as the magic powder.
Yes, for the Chinese curry, it's a bit more watery, it's less curry flavour, more coconut and also more chicken flavour. Now we can add in the chicken pieces. So for my curry chicken, I like to pre-mix the coconut milk first with water.
So at this stage, do you keep it uncovered or you have to cover it?
So for this stage, we bring it to a small simmer just like yours, and then we cover and cook for about 30 to 45 minutes, depends on the size of your chicken.
So now we can have a seat lah, or you want to stand here for 45 minutes?
No, I'm thinking of a curry pan. I don't have already.
Okay, bye-bye.
Hey, Hao Jie, while this is cooking, you go to everyone and ask them for a curry pan. Give me a curry pan.
Currently can't.
Okay.
Did you get it?
Okay, yeah.
you get it?
Currently.
yeah.
Currently.
I currently can't.
7 out of 10. Can you give me a curry pan?
Go away.
Rude. 0 out of 10. Can you give me a curry pan? Dixon, come into the light. Can you give me a curry pan?
The one carry me home.
Okay.
Yeah.
Carry me home.
Yeah.
3 out of 10. Thank you for watching. Oh my god.
Wow, smells very good, John.
Since we've already seasoned it just now, it is time to serve.
We will taste our own curries first to make sure it's up to standard before letting our friend try.
I think you will be in for a treat.
You too.
I want to try yours now.
Please.
Switch. I'm very excited to try the roti jala.
Oh, John, yours is very good also.
Yours must go back for more lah. Roti jala is not very heavy and also very flavorful. And when you dip into the curry, you eat together with the chicken. Wow, goes very well together.
What would you say is the biggest difference between Indian and Chinese style curry?
I think the spices.
Yeah,
I think I
I
would
agree.
say yours is more Indian spice heavy. Mine is just curry paste and a lot of like the chicken flavor because I added like chicken powder.
You can taste like the coconut is like really shines through. The spices is a bit more mild, but it's still very balanced. It complements the whole dish.
Curry up! Come and try our curry!
Hope you enjoyed this episode of Curries with Khalil. We look forward to seeing you at the next episode where we explore various types of curries throughout Southeast Asia.
If you like this video, like, share and subscribe.
Subscribe!
Comment what other curries you would like us to make next. Don't get carried away. It's too much lah. It's too much. It's too much.